Have you ever asked yourself if there are better alternatives to Talkdesk for improving customer experience? We get this question a lot, so we are going to compare some key features between Voximplant Kit and Talkdesk. I'm Dasha, and I'll be your guide. In this video, we will compare AI integrations, deployment tools, reliability, as well as pricing offered by Talkdesk and Voximplant Kit. Let's start. We will start with an AI integration list that's especially useful for customers building voice bots and IVRs. Talkdesk offers 24 languages for text-to-speech. They use their own proprietary AI service, not third-party engines, which limits their language support. For instance, you won't be able to build a Mandarin or Greek-speaking IVR. In contrast, Voximplant Kit partners with 6 AI providers, including Amazon, Google, Microsoft, and IBM. We offer 119 languages and dialects for conversational IVR and over 200 synthesized voices, so you can serve a larger audience. Those who want to automate complex conversations can integrate with NLP Dialogflow bots in one click. When you're deploying a contact center solution, you probably want to get going quickly. As you may know, creating a Talkdesk account is not a quick process. You need to work through an account qualification process that takes at least 2 weeks, and then the implementation process, after the contract is signed, can take weeks or months. Voximplant Kit was designed for people that need to start responding to customers in minutes. A complete Kit contact center can be operational in about 30 minutes via the self-service portal, or our team can help you to build your own workflow if you'd like help. If you use Talkdesk, you probably experienced service disruptions a few months ago. These are more common because Talkdesk relies on a single data center provider, Amazon Web Services. Human errors or bugs take Amazon as well as Talkdesk offline. Voximplant prefers not to put all eggs in one basket. Our multi-cloud environment includes 14 cloud providers, such as Amazon, Google, DataCamp Limited. If one of our providers fails, customers won't notice. Let's move on to a pricing comparison. With Talkdesk, their pricing starts at $65 per agent seat and can get dramatically higher. You probably have more than one agent in your contact center. Let's say there are 50 of them. Multiplied by 50, that's $3,250 per month for agent seats only for their cheapest option. In contrast, Voximplant Kit charges $45 per agent, so it's 30% cheaper. Keep in mind that includes all capabilities, not a base bare bones package like Talkdesk. To better feel the difference, let's multiply it by 50. We get $2,250 for Voximplant Kit versus $3,250 for Talkdesk. With Voximplant Kit, you will save at least $1,000 per month just for agent seats. If you have more than 50 agents or consider something other than base package, the difference will be even higher. Pretty significant, right? That's all for this comparison. If you found this video useful, please give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, check out our documentation, contact us with any questions using the link in the description, or sign up to try it out yourself.